So hey guys, for today I'm gonna show you how to set up your soundboard for your games. So first what you want to do is go to your user settings here on the lower left corner. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see the activity settings section and go click on game overlay right here. Once you're there, make sure that your enable in-game overlay is turned on, and you could edit the keybind for which you can open your game overlay while in game. So after that, go up here under app settings, go click on keybinds, and you could now go add the keybind for the soundboard. So just click on the add keybind button here. And for the action, you could assign what to navigate here. So as you can see, there's the open soundboard hold. So when you click your keybind, so let's set the keybind first. So you could go with Shift S. So you could it could be easily remembered since S soundboard, the first letter, so you could easily remember it. And if you click on Shift S or you hold it, it will automatically open the overlay of the soundboard so that you can see it. And if you press out of the button, it will go back, or it will pop out of your screen. And if you click on it again or hold it, it will pop on your screen. And if you click out of it, it will pop out of your screen. And that's it, guys. You could just now open up a game and try your keybinds. And that's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.